Want to make reading with your child more memorable? After reading a science-themed story, try a simple related activity. For example, after reading the Sugar Sleuths, explore how to read food or snack labels. Children can remember concepts more effectively when they can see them in action. Now, your setup doesn't have to be as elaborate or as complicated as this one is, but something that you could do is look at snacks that you all eat or that your child likes and grab a bunch of them and set them up so they can see them. They're on display. But a little bit of pre-work you may have to do, or pre-prep you may want to do, is pick out things like what an actual serving size looks like. So for example, I happen to like this snack right here. However, this package, although it's a small package, this contains more than one serving size. So what I've done is I have actually included here a sample serving size. So I can't eat the entire thing and think that I'm only going to have one serving size. So of course I'm going to read the label on the back and see what it looks like. And I've pre-prepped this for you so you can see. So here is what a serving size looks like of this snack. And then under it, I've also prepped how many grams of sugar are also in this serving size. So I've done this with several different snacks. Snacks that I like, snacks that are popular, and snacks that kids tend to gravitate towards. So even the things that we think are healthier snacks are listed here as well as some typical like sugary snacks. And so what I've done is, again, a little bit of pre-prep ahead of time. What I've done is taken the snacks, and when the package size is already one serving size, then I leave it as it is. But if I need to demonstrate what the true serving size is, I will go ahead and put it there. And under the label, and of course, and these are magnets, so you can even make it easy for your little one. So I have magnets. And so here you can see that this snack here has this much sugar in it. Okay. And so I fill up these little packs of sugar so that it's easy for little ones to see how much sugar is in their favorite snack. Now, something else that is really interesting about this and can be fun, because again, I put magnets on here that you can just pull them off and whatnot. What you can do is you can kind of make it a game and see who can guess which snacks are the healthiest, which snacks aren't so healthy, and how much sugar they think is actually in their favorite snack. And so by doing this, you help your little one associate sugar and serving sizes, what that looks like. Now, when you pair that or accompany that with the book, you can also teach them what sugar does for the body, why we need sugar, and what happens if we have too much or too little sugar in our bodies. So this is a great little companion project to go with this book, and hopefully that's helpful with getting your little summer activities in. So we can still get some learning, still have some fun during the summer. You could also ask them a question like, how much sugar is in the food we eat every day? Have you ever eaten any of these snacks? Let's take a look about how much sugar is in these snacks. Try this activity with your young scientist.